Today, I just bought these entire train tracks. The last one of you three to leave the train tracks wins $1 million!
Yeah, I don't know if we should be doing this. This looks really dangerous, Jimmy.
Shut up, Carl. Okay guys, today's sponsor for today's video is OnlyFans. For each monthly subscription you get, one tree will be planted in Liberty, Missouri in your name. How you guys feeling?
I'm starving. Yeah, me too. I need some food.
Alright, I'm holding up a number behind my back. If you win, you get $10,000. If you lose, you'll at least get a McDonald's run.
Number 2.
McDonald's run it is.
No!
Alright, last one to leave gets $1 million. And we got a winner! Congratulations on winning $1 million.
Oh, does my face look okay?
Sure.
Mr. Beast 6000, oh, Mr. Beast 6000, yeah, you know his name. He changed it once or twice, but I think it's here to stay.